Hello fans, good morning. So I want to teach you this little trick about Bluetooth earpiece. So I just finished this earpiece you are seeing in your screen. Can you see? What happened to this earpiece is that whenever I plug it inside, wait, let me show you something. I'm coming. So before, whenever I place it here, so you understand, it's not going to charge. So I now discovered that the battery that is inside this the little earpiece I've disconnected. So another customer now bring something issue like this. So this is the AirPod here. So what I did is that I now open the earpiece and come. Let me show you the battery that's inside it. This is the battery that was inside the earpiece. So what the customer complained for me is that whenever, as you can see, I see that is working. So whenever he places this earpiece inside this box, it's not going to charge. So I now tell the customer that I'm going to do it. So what I now do is that I now open this earpiece and I remove the battery. When I gauge the battery, I discovered that this battery is dead. I now try to boost it, but it's not boosting. And I went to Ikeja to go and buy the new battery. As you can see, this is the battery that I want to go and buy. So and I want to fix it so that you can see how I fix it. So let's go, guys. So first of all, your battery voltage, you have to check the positive and the negative side. Can you see? Please don't skip this video. As I'm watching, please subscribe. This is the positive side, while the longer one is the negative side. The shorter one is the positive, while the longer one is the negative side of the battery. So now what we want to do now is that you will now connect the positive side to the shorter one. Trust me, guys, any video I upload here is going to work. Any idea I detect, both the solar, both the phones. So because I will be uploading how I install solar inside my shop, so that one is still coming. So
charge point kìíní ni kò ṣiṣẹ́.
charge point ò ṣiṣẹ́.
Charger ò ṣiṣẹ́ ń bẹ̀. Ẹ̀ láì fún kìíní yìí tẹ̀ ọmọ ti.
So as you can see now, I've connected the battery inside the. So we will now package it back. Before packaging it, you have to use paper tape to cover it. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. So whenever your whenever your AirPod off, please don't throw it away, please. So we now put super glue and hold it. So as you can see, it's not charging now, as you can see. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like and share and follow.